Hello, good morning. I'm back with another chart, and the Lagna here is Gemini, right? It is a female chart born on 18th 11 1976. The time is 2100 hours and in Bombay. And we are discussing the first house or the Lagna Bhava. The Lagna being the Gemini Lagna. The Gemini Lagna is a dual sign. It is an airy sign and it has the relationship of two twins, or the symbol of Gemini is a symbol of two twins, which says that the native with the Gemini Lagna is a versatile, restless, need to be involved in more than one activity simultaneously, have a rich communication, can convince a lot of people, have mental energy, are communicators, and they kind of get involved in all forms of communication. They have an inability to concentrate on any one point or any one aspect of life. They keep shifting to various aspects in life. Having said that, it also depends upon the placement of the Lagna Lord in the Rashi chart. It also depends on the Lagna Lord in the Navamsha chart. Being the third house, Gemini being the third house from the Kala Purusha, it denotes the body parts of the throat, the ears, nose, and the throat. It also represents that the native is born with a gift of the gab, would be one of the best ways to describe Gemini. The Lagnadipati of Gemini is Mercury, and it is understood that the Gemini Mercury is an innocent Mercury or a childlike Mercury. Therefore, there is a definitely childlike quality in Gemini. In this chart, the Lagnadipati has shifted to the 6th house. Mercury is in the 6th house and he is associated with the 6th and 11th Lord Mars, and he is associated with the 4th house Lord Sun. Therefore, the nativity has a strong inclination towards education and education parameters, because the 5th Lord Mercury and the Lagna Lord Mercury, 4th Lord Sun and the 6th Lord Mars along with the 11th Lord Mars gives the native a strong inclination for education. As I said before, the planets which get involved will also carry with them the qualities, functional qualities, that is the lords of the houses they are, as well as the natural qualities. Sun being the lord of the 4th, and the sun will give the native a lot of courage and a lot of strength. A sun in the 6th house is considered to be one of the best houses a native can have. Mars, who is the 6th and the 11th Lord, is going to help the native to overcome the struggle or overcome difficulties through his 6th house Karatattva and and the 9th house and the 6th house tattva and the 11th house tattva, along with energizing the nativity, since the native's Lagna Mercury is also placed in the 6th house. Now we see that this chart has an aspect of Jupiter. This chart has an aspect of Jupiter. Therefore, whatever positivities this native the native will enjoy a lot of positivities. The hurdles which he has to cross for the 6th house, being in the 6th house, is blessed by the Jupiter, who makes things very smooth. Now the Lagnadipati, the Lagna in the Navamsha is in the 10th bhava of Karma bhava and is placed in Pisces. Therefore, even though the Navamsha shows that the native will have to go for Karma bhava, the Pisces Navamsha shows that the native may not be inclined to work. The Lagnadipati from the Rashi Lagna is again in the 4th bhava of the Navamsha Lagna, which again shows Sukhasthana. So the bhagya of this native will be Sukhasthana, or will be in Sukha. She may not have a requirement to work and she will be happy being at home. This is how we will delineate the Gemini Lagna. Till next class, thank you. See you. Bye-bye.